In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily convert currency using your Wise account, either through the app or the website. If you've ever needed to switch funds between currencies, say for travel or business, but weren't sure how to do it smoothly and cost effectively, you're in the right place. So let's dive right in with step one. We'll start by logging into your Wise account. You can do this via the app on your phone or directly through the website on a computer. If you haven't already signed up, it's a straightforward process, so don't worry about getting started. Your Wise account should already be set up with the currencies you typically use. Once you're logged in, you need to navigate to the account of the currency from which you want to convert. For example, if you have a balance in US dollars and you want to convert some of that to euros, you'll locate your US dollar account. If you notice that your account balance is low, or if you need more funds to start the conversion, you can easily add money beforehand from your linked bank account. Wise makes it simple to manage multiple currencies, so you'll find it easy to move around. Next up, you'll see an option to convert within that particular currency balance. Tap on it. This is where the magic happens. Now, enter the amount you wish to convert. You have flexibility here. If you prefer, you can type in the amount you want the recipient to receive instead. Wise will automatically calculate the amount you need to convert based on the current exchange rate. Now that you've entered the amount, you need to select the currency you wish to convert to. This is done using a drop-down menu which lists all the currencies your account supports. Once you choose your desired currency, it's important to take a moment to review the conversion details. You'll be able to see the current exchange rate, any fees that apply, and also the exact amount the recipient will receive. If everything looks good and you're satisfied with the details, go ahead and tap Convert to finalize the transaction. It's quite efficient as the money will be converted instantly, allowing you to see your new balance in the selected currency right away in your account. Wise is renowned for its transparency and speed, so you can trust that you're getting a fair rate without hidden fees. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully converted currency in your Wise account. Being able to quickly and easily manage funds across different currencies is incredibly valuable in today's global economy, and Wise makes this process seamless. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful for your future transactions.